What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. And I have my Hot Wheel case here. It's full of Hot Wheel cars. Holds up to 100 cars. HotWheels.com. Yep. There's a car right here. It says Hot Wheels right here, all over right here. That's the symbol. Fire on it. Right there. You can see it. I don't know why this is broken right there. But it's a nice case. Has wheels on it. That's pretty cool. And right there. Oh, I forgot to show you. There's this thingy you can pull it around with. That's why they had the wheels on this one. So, the wheels, the cars are actually in here. Yeah. If I can open it, I'll show you guys. Just get it open. There we go. There's a nice, beautiful cars. I don't know why this fell off. Just put that back on. There we go. Here's all the nice, beautiful cars. Let's see. My red one. I have my yellow car, which is really nice. That's actually a Nissan Z. That's a Nissan right there. 2021 Hot Wheels. So yeah, these cars are nice. I'm just put that back on. There we go. Look, you can pull it around with it. Watch. That actually is pretty cool. So yeah. What are you doing here, Thunder Tumbler? Yeah, you. You know, little big wheels. Stay up there. Oops. Yeah. I want to show you this to you guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.